Hey guys, we're getting ready to go to the club tonight for dinner. And before I did, I just had to get this out there because it's been weighing really kind of heavy on my mind. So, welcome. This is Dr. Velvet with Table Talk. I wanted to talk about something that's showing up for a lot of therapists right now. And right now means it's January 31st. We've already gone through Christmas, we've gone through Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving we have our Black Friday sales, and then of course Christmas we have our Christmas sales as well. So why I want to talk about this is because it's not being talked about honestly. So we're talking about sales, we're talking about gift certificates, but right now gift certificates are being redeemed. And I don't know about you, but in our area, weather is disrupting everything. So the weather is now disrupting schedules. And suddenly, practices that looked fine a month ago are starting to feel the crunch. They feel tight. If that's you, I want you to know this up front. This isn't about doing anything wrong, and it's not a mindset issue. What I'm seeing is structural, and I've learned this the hard way after having been in the massage field for over 30 years and owning several practices. And what I would like to say, just so that everybody can take a deep breath for a minute, is that this just isn't about massage therapists. You see this in coaching clinics, wellness clinics, med spas. It's happening across the board. I've been there. There were seasons in my practice where I was booked solid and still felt anxious when things shifted. Bad weather, cancellations, gift certificates, and they're all coming in at once. That's not something that we can control. That's nothing that we've done wrong. And then, of course, the panic is that we do want those gift certificates to come in rather quickly because we've already been paid on those gift certificates. So we want to get paid on. We want to get those out of the way. So I remembered thinking, I just need to get these taken care of so I can get back to making money. What I didn't realize at the time was that the stress wasn't coming from the situation. No, it was coming from how my business was designed. I didn't call it structure back then. I just knew I was tired of everything feeling fragile. Gift certificates are not the problem. Weather isn't the problem. Slow weeks are not the problem. They're revealing the problem. When income, safety, and stability are all tied to our table, even good things start to feel heavy. And the body knows that before the mind does. A well-designed practice doesn't need perfect conditions to feel safe. I learned that as well. After decades in this profession and owning businesses outside of it, I can tell you this: effort is rarely the issue. Most therapists are hardworking, caring, and committed. What they were never taught is how to design a business that can actually hold them when conditions change. Endurance is not the same thing as sustainability. So let's make sure that we understand that. And let me repeat it. Endurance is not the same thing as stability. And confusing the two costs people years. If gift certificates feel heavy right now, that's not a failure. It's feedback. And feedback is information. If you're willing to listen to it instead of rushing past it, I'll keep naming these patterns as I see them because pretending they don't exist hasn't helped this profession. Sometimes the most responsible thing that we can do is stop glorifying survival and start asking better structural questions. That's where real change begins.